Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. I'm here to show you and thank you for our 100,000 subscriber YouTube award. Okay, before I open the box, when I created this channel a long time ago, it was never about monetizing it. It was never about how many subscribers. It was all about just the flow of information. You know, I get to put my hands on a lot of different stuff, ride a lot of things, use a lot of products. And our goal, right, was just to share that experience with you guys to make it easier for you to buy what was right for you. As the channel grew and we got closer to that 100,000 video, Caleb's like, dude, we got to get this award. And when we climbed over 100,000, they didn't just send it. And as he tried to apply for it, it just really wasn't working out. And in the end, we ended up having to monetize the channel to complete the process to get the award sent out. Whatever, it is what it is. Hopefully that's not too much of an inconvenience for you guys. This is something we do appreciate. We love your support. I answer all those comments myself. That's something I enjoy doing, right? I enjoy interacting with the riding community. I think that's one of the things that really separates us from the rest is we're truly a part of this community, right? Whether you look at what we do here on YouTube, or you look at my riding, Max's riding and racing, or even now our 2021 sponsorship of the Junior Cup class with Moto America. If you haven't seen that yet, we are the SportbikeTrackGear.com Moto America Junior Cup class this year, and we're also competing in it. That's pretty badass, and we thank you all for your support that's helped us get there. There you have it. Pretty proud of this. This is actually, it's been kind of chilling here. We've been meaning to do a video. We got this, I don't know, probably a couple of months back or something. It took a long time to get it. It took a lot of years to get it, but we appreciate all of you participating in this journey with us.